Hey everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you show your MMR in Rocket League. As you can see over here, if I go on to casual, you can see all the MMR. If I go on to competitive, these numbers are the MMRs. And I'm going to show you how I can actually how you can actually see this. So basically there's two ways, okay? If you're on PC, you're going to download something called Backus Mod, okay? As you can see, something called Backus Mod. If you actually don't have Backus Mod, there is a video we have also how to download Backus Mod. You can check it out, okay? If you want to check, basically when you have Backus Mod open, you have to click on F2. Once you click on F2, you're actually going to go into something called Ranked, okay, and just go on to your Show Player MMR on Scoreboard, Show MMR, okay, and then actually, you can actually also show Casual Play MMR in Q menu, Show Ranked MMR in Q menu. This also need to be open, and once you have this, you can actually, you can actually see your MMR over here. And over here in competitive, and actually when you're in game, you're actually going to see your MMR. One thing you actually do if you're on console or anything else is open RocketLeagueTracker.com. It's online, and then just once you're in, okay, I'll show you how you can do it. Now once we're here, we're going to search for Rocket League Tracker. Okay, now Rocket League Tracker is going to give you anything on your all the stats you need. Okay, once you have Rocket League Tracker, you're going to click on the first link, and then after that, you're going to put whatever name you're using. In my case, I'm going to put my name. Okay, okay. Now once you actually pick your name, as you can see over here, it's going to show you all your MMR over here if you're on console. Now I am not on console, so basically I actually can I'm not on console, so I can actually see with Backus Mod. So if you're in console, this is basically the way you can actually see wow, I have a really lost streak. Okay, you can actually check it out and know how much what is your MMR, how much you actually divisioned up, how much you divisioned down, and all the other seasons actually you're in. And yeah, so this is basically for it, how you can show MMR and Rocket League. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.